For the third station, we do blood sugar most times. In the rare cases that we actually do a venous blood draw, most of these procedures won't apply, but in most cases we do a finger stick for blood sugar. So what we'll have at the station is a sharps container, alcohol wipes, some gauze, the blood glucose monitor, which I will go into greater detail explaining because I know a lot of blood glucose meters are very different one to the next. And we'll have lancets, one-time use lancets, as well as some band-aids. So let me explain to you how we do this station. So your participant will come and you will also take their paperwork from them. And you can ask the individual if they were fasting or not. And so for the Kidney Foundation, our definition of fasting is, I know at most labs it's usually over 12 hours, but for us at the Kidney Foundation, we just recommend that participants fast for at least 8 hours. If they do not fast, we still go ahead and perform the measurement, but you do have to make note whether they are fasting or not. If the participant is fasting, say 5 hours or 7 hours, you of course indicate non-fasting. It's 8 hours or more. So, have you been fasting?
No.
Okay. So that's automatically non-fasting. At the blood sugar finger stick station, what we use is the Aviva AccuCheck, and this is just a very quick monitor. It reads the test strip in like 5 seconds. So, and it's also very easy to use. So the first thing that you want to do is turn it on, and in order to turn it on, there is a button here, and you just press it once and it immediately goes on. When you know it's ready for a test strip, it'll have this blinking test strip here on the bottom. While it's blinking, you open the test strip bottle, take out a strip, and you do want to make sure that this code is matched up with this microchip here, which I will show you in a little bit. Take the side that has that little computer microchip looking side, and then you just insert it into the machine until you hear that beep. Okay, and then the code you see, it'll say 594, which I think we missed, but it's in 594, and it matches the code on here. So you know that it's reading it properly. Okay, so when you know it's ready to go, it'll have a little blood drop right next to the test strip. That's how you know it's ready to receive a blood drop. Okay, so this means you're ready to go. Okay, any particular hand do you mind? No. Okay, so when you do the finger stick, we use the middle finger or the ring finger, generally speaking. And the part that you stick is on either side of the pad here, so here or here, and that's generally because there's a little bit more capillaries in that area, so you may be able to get more blood. So if the person is like me with poor circulation, although Mary's quite warm here, but you can have them kind of just, you know, exercise their hands a little bit. Sometimes we have one of these squishy things and you can just have them sort of warm up their hand a little bit. Okay, so just have them like shake it out or, you know, whatever, just to get some circulation going. You can even like, you know, sort of help them out if they're comfortable with that. Okay, thank you. Nice and warm. Yeah. Get it ready. Okay. So I'm gonna use this finger. Okay, so what you want to do is just prep the area first. So remove one of these alcohol pads here. And you just want to wipe the area down like so. Okay? Just maybe wipe the other finger too, just in case you have to end up using that one. Okay, and then just throw this away in one of our biohazard bags here. Okay, and then you just want to let the alcohol dry a little bit so it doesn't go into the puncture and sting the person. Don't worry. Okay, so let it dry. It dries pretty quickly. Then, let's see. Take the one-time use lancet. You're just gonna, the ones that we use in particular are these where you just simply twist off the cap here. Okay, and you pull it off. Okay, this can just be thrown away. So this works by pressure, and you just need to apply a slight pressure to it. So just place it on either side of the finger here and just gently push until you hear a little bit of a click. Okay. Then you'll see the blood forming. Okay. And then you want to take a gauze, and since Mary fortunately has good circulation, we're just going to wipe off the first blood drop, just because it might have some tissue residue in there. Then throw away the gauze in the biohazard. When you have a good size drop there, just place the yellow end of the finger of the test strip to the blood right there until it sucks it up by capillary action. Okay, let it rest. Immediately get another gauze and just press the area like so. Okay. Take a Band-Aid. Why don't you hold that for a sec? Or put it right over that spot. Yeah. So you have the participant just apply gentle pressure, or you can put your thumb right on there. There you go. Okay. Okay. And place a Band-Aid right over. Throw the gauze away. Okay, and then get your reading. So Mary's at 105, and then we write 105 in the area on the sheet here. Then all you need to do is simply remove the test strip, throw it away, and press the power, turn it off, and then to start up again, it immediately goes back on.